Hey, Lou and company. I just want to ask you one single question. Electric cars or no-go? I'm a no-go. He puts the question in the subject line.
Yeah, that's how it gets my attention.
Yeah, that's not a bad move. It's not, but you're probably going to see a lot more of that now that you said that. Once again, if you want to send your question into the show, just send it to will@loulater.com. Yeah, of course, electric cars are a go. Tesla's had their issues, that's for sure. Man, seemed like every day I'm reading some story about Tesla's cash issues, and apparently now all expenditures have to be signed off by Elon himself or one other guy. They're just spending too much cash, and man, making cars is hard. Making cars, selling cars, servicing cars, it's a whole thing. But I think Tesla has a good product. Of course, we had the Model 3 in studio and we drove it around. I think they have a good product, and I think that's helpful. I think that's what matters. I think they're gonna continue to unlock cash until the business side can be figured out. I mean, look at this website. It's a nice website right there. You see, that's not easy to do. And actually, the Model X looks kind of good in that color. So Roadster coming out. Tesla, of course, not the only electric car option, just the face of electric cars for the time being. But Porsche is coming out with another electric vehicle, and with their very own electric vehicle, not another one. And apparently there's plenty of pre-orders on that particular car. People are excited about it. Other companies have committed. Ford has committed to investing more. They purchased that electric car company. I mean, look how cool this is, the Mission E. It's not going to look exactly like that, the production version, but very cool nonetheless. So no, they're here to stay. I think the no-go part is like it's taking longer than people had hoped for. It's going to be a longer period of time before these become ubiquitous and the standard, just because of cost. If Tesla has showcased anything, it's hard to deliver these things at an affordable cost while still having a profitable company. So even though the Model 3 was supposed to be the answer, like the electric car for everyone, it ain't going to be the electric car for everyone if Tesla can't fix the bottom line. If they can't make them and make a profit, then it ain't going to last very long. So it all has to get figured out, but it will, because the technology is good and the product is good as it stands today. There are advantages to it. There are still some advantages to the traditional gasoline vehicle, primarily cost. Like you can, even with this thing starting at $35,000, $40,000, there's still cheaper cars to be had that are not electric, and that's not going to change anytime soon by the looks of it. So definitely a go, just a matter of time.